But yes, it's very difficult to play away against Bali because last time that PSM Makassar won was 2016, so it's like 7 years. Assalamualaikum. Selamat sore. We don't have too much time to recovery and also to prepare the match, but it's the same time of Bali because we play on the same day. I think tomorrow gonna be very difficult game because Bali is very good team, and a good example it's since 2016. PSM Makassar never win away against Bali, so it's like 7 years. Also this season we already played 2 times. We draw here and we draw and after lose on penalty shoots, and so it's going to be very difficult. I want to get this opportunity to wish good luck for Bali United on AFC Champions. I think it's very important that they can make a good performance because they can collect points to Indonesia, and this is good.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Selamat sore. Saya mewakili rekan-rekan pemain. Tentunya kita sebagai pemain sudah siap untuk pertandingan besok, dan kita tahu ini bukan pertandingan yang mudah karena Bali adalah tim yang cukup bagus. Dan kita tahu kita tidak punya banyak waktu recovery, sama yang seperti coach bilang, jadwal bulan ini sangat padat, makanya kita harus mempersiapkan diri untuk pertandingan besok jauh lebih baik lagi. Dan tidak lupa untuk saya meminta doa dan dukungan supporter PSM Makassar. Jangan lupa untuk mendukung terus tim dan berdoa dimanapun kami bermain. Terima kasih.
I just can speak about last season. I don't was here in the other seasons, so I don't know. But let's discover last seasons before PSM Makassar, who was the champion? Was Bali, and I think the big difference is good facilities, but also big budget. Compare the budget between PSM Makassar and Bali, it's big difference. But on football, it's 11 against 11. Sometimes there are surprises that can happen, but yes, it's very difficult to play away against Bali because last time that PSM Makassar won was 2016, so it's like 7 years. So let's see, tomorrow's going to be very difficult. I cannot answer. We're not training to draw, we're not training to lose. Of course, we're training to compete, to have a chances on the game to can win, but we know that in the other side there is a strong team, and also with the different players that play with us on the playoff AFC champion, Rashid and the striker. So let's see what's going to happen tomorrow. If the Liga decide that we must play away, we must play away. I'm just a coach, so what I can say, it's against tough opponents, and of course local players like to be with the family. Sometimes we can have time for return to Makassar, sometimes we cannot, like we make from Persita, Tangerang. We come direct here because we don't have time to catch flight to go Makassar and after to return, so we decide to come. Sometimes these kind of things put mentality more strong of the players, sometimes not put. Let's see what's going to happen tomorrow, but I agree with you, it's 3 games away. If we put AFC Cup on 23, that's going to be on Bali. It's 1 more game away, but we love our job. We love what are you doing, and sometimes we play at home, sometimes we play away, and let's see what we can do together. Terima kasih.